Hello, we are very lucky. In table tennis, the pro players are often very friendly compared to other sports. I have talked to some pro players and I found that they are very easy, friendly. So don't be afraid, just go to them and communicate with them. And Chinese pro players are also very friendly, but unfortunately, few of them speak English. But I don't think that the language barrier is a big problem right now. This is an example that the translator has mistranslated the journalist's questions.
So how do you think is the greatest player of all time?
他是一个好的对手吗？
确实是，他从去年总决赛已经反正能包括现在世界排名第7，肯定是中国队最主要对手。
He's the main opponent for Chinese team.
Wait, the greatest player of all time? I think that the journalist is talking Wagner, not Hugo Calderano.
What do you think about Leo Wagner, the Swedish player?
你认为你的双打搭档怎么样？
他说是瓦尔德内尔吧？
Congratulations, MaLong. We don't need the translator anymore.
Repeat your question.
What do you think about Leo Wagner, the Swedish player?
我觉得他是一个传奇吧。
He's the great famous and the best player.
Thank you very much.
Luckily, MaLong pointed out the mistranslated questions. Hopefully, this will not happen again in the future, because we really want to hear the real opinion from the athlete. And finally, they have changed the much better translator, but maybe she will lose her job. Here you are.
It's like maybe 40 minutes or 1 hour training, and then I get pretty focused on with good quality and with
humor.
Things here because we've got none other than the new world champion, third time in a row.